Ours is on, yeah. Theirs is muted. Yours is muted. Is she? Can't hear you. Let me try it. Okay, can you hear us now? Okay.
Yeah, just give us just a second.
Oh, there it is.
So when we go to start, the only thing you're going to do is start recording. You could all go ahead and start it. That is where over here, I think it might be. Go to more. Rachel, how do you record again? Right here. You see it? Okay, yeah. And then you're going to record to the cloud. You can't move because we're online, but usually if we're just doing it on our computer, we mute ourselves. The only time we speak is when we speak.
This doesn't say anything about the bond.
Do you put the bond order?
$4,000 bond.
I can put the bond order for you. And the initial hearing is on.
So how's Ted?
I'm waiting on him.
Okay.
Are you recording already?
You ready? Oh, yeah, we're good.
Not that I think she has to be.
Right, this is a, on here, James Bryant. Bryant charged with practice driving and improvement insurance, and driving another vehicle. Previous one hearing.
Mr. Bryant, can you hear us?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm Judge Bam, I'm in court of the couple right now. And the person who just spoke before me is the solicitor of the couple. It is my understanding, that 5 charges against you. First, let me ask you to raise your hand, right hand if you can. Raise your right hand. You swear or affirm the evidence you should give to the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, and the penalty of perjury.
I can't really understand what you're saying.
You're saying yes, is that correct?
I can't really understand what you're saying.
All right, I'm asking you, do you swear or affirm that the evidence you shall give shall be the truth, nothing but the truth, under penalty of perjury? Is that true?
Yes.
Okay, you can put your hand down. All right, my understanding is that you were arrested on October 15th, and you had your first appearance by Zoom on October 16th, and at that time, the chief judge told you what the charges were against you and indicated that there was probable cause and scheduled your bond for $4,140. Here we are, numbers of days later, and you're still in jail. So I'm giving you another opportunity to come before a judge so that we can talk about how we might be able to get you out of jail. Do you work?
Yes, I do.
What do you do for a living?
Say that one more time.
What do you do? What is your work? What kind of work?
I work at Publix Distribution Center.
Okay, and you get a salary for that?
No, it's not a salary.
You get paid by the amount of time you work? Is that what happens?
Yes, sir.
Who do you live with?
I live with my girlfriend.
And now, if I understand this correctly, based upon what I read, your girlfriend knows about you being arrested. And does your brother know that you've been arrested?
Yeah, she knows I'm in here.
He knows you're in the cab jail. And what about your employer, people who you work for? Do they know you're in jail?
No, they don't know that.
Do you have an ability to make the bond? Obviously, you don't have enough ability to make this bond, you wouldn't still be in jail. Do you have any assets where you could make a bond to get out of jail?
What is it? Is it a cash bond or I can go to bonds
Well,
bond?
you can use a bondsman.
I mean, I could.
You don't have to do a cash bond, but the current bond is over $4,000, and that was issued 6 days ago, and you're still in jail, and I'm trying to get you to get out of jail.
I can make it if it's
You can make a bond, but if so, how much?
if I can go through the the bail bondsman, I can make it.
You said you can make a bond to a bondsman?
Yes, sir.
Why haven't you done that yet?
The judge said it was a cash bond, so I was under the impression that it had to be $4,000 straight.
Well, I'm sorry, I've been corrected, you're right. We don't have it has to be a cash bond. Mr. Baggett, the solicitor might ask you some questions.
Is anyone attempting to raise money to help you bond out, sir? Can you hear me, sir?
No, you're far away. I can't understand what you're saying.
You can't hear me. Sir.
He said he couldn't understand what you said.
Sounds very far away. You can't hear what I'm saying.
Is there anything in your question?
Do you want to try this microphone?
Is there someone trying to raise money to bond you out?
Is there anybody trying to raise money to bond you out?
Yes, sir.
And how, do you have any understanding as to how much money they have raised so far?
Say it again.
Yes?
I don't know how much they have. I have 500, but I haven't spoken to my family today.
Okay. All right, do you have any other questions?
Where do you reside, sir? Where do you live?
And Stone Mountain, 320 Colchester Drive.
No further questions, Judge.
All right, is there anything else you want to tell me, Mr. Bryant?
No, I'm just trying to get home so I can be with my son.
Officer down.
As I understand this, Mr. Daggett, is some of the charges require a mandatory bond. So what would be your recommendation, taking that into account? And taking into account that he's still sitting?
Yes, Your Honor. As the court indicates, the charge of fleeing and eluding by state law must have a secured bond. He has been in jail several days. He doesn't really live in Stone Mountain, so I would say perhaps a reduction of $2,000 in mail in the bond.
All right, that'll work. Mr. Bryant, I'm gonna lower your bond to $2,000. You'll still be in jail until somebody, your brother, your employer, your girlfriend, somebody is able to come up and pay the $2,000. They either do it here or at jail, which has to be paid either here in Tugger at the city hall or at the jail. So hopefully, I'll be back here in court next Wednesday. Hopefully, you'll be just a memory at that point and you'll be out of jail. Okay? You understand what I said?
It has to be $2,000 cash.
$2,000 cash. All right, good luck to you, sir.
Judge, I would ask you to impose a special condition that if he bonds out, he is not to drive a motor vehicle without insurance or valid registration.
Okay, based upon the charges that you've had, I'm gonna put as a condition, 2 conditions of your bond, that you not drive a motor vehicle without insurance
Or valid registration.
or valid registration. That'll be part of the order. You understand all that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and your court date will remain November 7th, I believe it is. November 12th. All right, we'll issue that order shortly. All right, good luck to you, sir. We finished with the